There are two groups of computer user. Those who prefer using their mouse and those who rather use hotkeys or keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts is most easier and faster than click mouse. Today I will show you 10 easy keyboard shortcuts that can make your life easier. Number 1. Redo. We all know ctrl+z keyboard command is undo. But if accidentally need to redo, just press ctrl+y for redo. Number 2. Create a new folder. You can create a new folder by right-clicking your mouse and going down to Create a Folder option. Why you waste time? Just press ctrl+shift+n to create a new folder. Number 3. Delete file completely. How do you usually delete a file? Highlight it and press delete. Or pick it up and drag it to the recycle bin. And last, empty the recycle bin too. If you want to delete your file completely here, just highlight them and press shift+delete. Windows will ask you to confirm you to permanently delete the file and then OK. Number 4. The Emoji Keyboard. If you need an emoji to send message or type anything, just press the Windows key +, and enjoy the Emoji Keyboard on your Windows device. Number 5. Minimize all windows. Sometimes we need to open many windows, and at last need to minimize all the windows one by one. But not anymore. Just press Windows logo key +M. All windows is now clear. Number 6. Lock windows. What if you need to lock Windows itself? Not a problem. Press the Windows key +L for resume. You will have to enter your password.